Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education Avena paper makdau le oldau le haudau console dona Mizoram Legislative Assembly UDC 2019 solution step by step hemi video in dona hemi question paper hi kadi tak within 15 minutes tambera 20 minutes ai tamangai lo hemi question ni mo solve turin a how hlom lu to question ni chimi wangjon a har ngo tang ti te ei question paper la mungai lo shim tan thil phat ka sai dua eng ma po sang lo 2019 ami chu masem 2023 a engang question nge what type of question they are going to ask you kame chu kashmi alwa tura pahat ta in kan discuss ka solve an how in ti down the nuam in ti don ba atir train top thleng en in lo tum don nia tuna first question train can start ga video hi train ti chon in lo like nge don nia okay so first question and the first question tiang question hi ton ko aporon chuak theya 10 2 by 5 multiplied by 8 4 by 5 divided by 4 2 by 5 mixed fraction yeah okay so hemi color ka thla ka nga tuna ama pon ka sai to tiang hi eng form nge a b by c ani chuan c le a kan multiply train tro a multiplied by c plus b by c ani train tuna chu tiang bok chon hemi poi kan multiply nga 10 5s are 15 etro chon 50 a pani kan bel trina so 52 divided by 5 multiplied by hemi poi 8 5s are 14 yeah 40 plus 4 hey 40 plus 4 chu somli le pali chon divided by 5 4 multiplied by 5 20 yeah 20 le pani kan bel chuan somni le pani ya chon 5 in practice na satla duk chuan in shathiam ngal dona hey hemi 5 le hemi 5 yan cancel anga 22 le hemi 44 2 kan cancel anga apoi lo ma seng in shathiam lo ngatro athanin in shathiam lo mai tenga kan solve anga ma seng chumi tur chuan board mass concept ka enge kan solve ma sak don divide nge multiply hey v board mass amapon video ka upload to tro hemi hi engma angai lawa multiplication le division hey multiplication le division hi masazo ka chumi wangchon kan divide anga so hemi kan solve phatanga division hi 52 by 5 multiplied by hey 44 by 5 divided by 22 by 5 hemi 5 le hemi 5 hi kan cancel anga hemi 22 hi 44 kan cancel anga 2 times chumi wangchon avain ti hian kan da sonanga multiplied by 2 ani dona tuna 52 le 2 exact ngani train multiplication azale pali ni trina maseng tuna eng form ange zia ngai tita se fraction a chon answer 104 by 5 ani dona decimal a exact ngani don hai in muthem 5 and can divide chon 20.8 ani don 20.8 chu 104 ani trina decimal form ti chon 20.8 ani dona tuna mixed fraction form answer da angai ta se enge 104 kan divide na tro 5 in 520s are 100 ania 4 banga voitam tak ka sei to 4 hi achung bera kan ziak trina kan da trina 5 hi anhuai bera kan da trina anhuai kan da trina chun 20 hi ta hian kan da trin so hemi hi answer tuna question number 2 hemi question he and 21 multiplied by 7 plus 25 man I'm not buying shit nigga yeah tuna chuan question number 2 and question jo hemi subjective ania tuna chuan I think ron chuadon kashmi lawa subjective nge objective mo chimi wangjon step by step in solve ngai don tuna tin nan hemi question hi 21 multiplied by 7 plus 25 divided by 5 minus 24 multiplied by and division can solve ma sabar trina chimi wangjon 25 divided by 5 exact ngani train 25 divided by 5 to 5 ani trina chimza multiplication can solve train thro so multiplication an tin multiplication 21 multiplied by 7 to 714 plus 5 minus hemi 24 multiplied by 1 by 8 to 3 ani train thro achan chu 8 table oma 8 3s are so panga atangin pathum pe chu pani ania tahian plus 2 kan zia kanga 147 a pani kan belchon 149 hemi kan answer dona question dang kan solve le zelanga question number 3 hi nachina ka se dan khan subjective ani chon step by step in solve ngai dona entinan let us consider let us consider kame chu ka zia kher longa kai chon step by step enkim a concept le a basic method ka explain dona tan ka shil don chone kame chu nang mani nin zia kang in paper in answer paper ha let us consider that a cost of 5 table equals to the cost of 7 chairs hemi question number 3 kan solve ma tuna cost of 5 tables equals to cost of 7 chairs. Okay, chuan enge thil dang if the cost of one table is zahnile cheng som omzia chu one table man engzat nge zahnile cheng so mania question angen given 5 table chumi wangchon 5 in kan multiply nga ngeitola one table man zahnile cheng som ani chuan 5 table man engzat nge ni don 5 in kan multiply ang chu tihian in jetia 5 multiplied by 21 engzat nge zale pangani thina chona mi 0 hi nunga ta hian 1050 hemi cost of 5 tables ania enge kan question find the cost of each chair san tidai omjeng jam chair san tia chumi wangchon 5 table man sangkhat le somnga ani chuan 7 chair man po sangkhat le somnga niang chu achan chu an panian unequal mo so tan kan ziak thea 7 chairs equals to 1050 ani chuan 1 chair engzat nge 1 chair man engzat nge ni don hemi hi 7 in kan divide de ang so engzat nge 135 5 chon hemi 0 hi 0 so zale somnga man ani don mo cost of each chair chu chair pahat man zale somnga ani don hemi answer ni don tuna question number 4 hi andrew proportion x by tiang hi chu in siang atro a ratio b chuan c ratio d ani chuan hemi hi achunga kan ziak thina b hi anwaya kan ziak thina equals to hemi c achunga kan da thina chuan d anwaya kan ziak thin tra hemi concept hi in sianga in sia chuan hemi all sum then in solve thei dona x divided by 75 equals to 15 divided by 45 tuna 15 table are 45 oma 3 sar chibi wan chuan 1 by 3 tan kan ziak theya chanju an cancel ania chutiang bok chuan hemi le 75 an cancel ama sen cancel mine semi 75 ki ta handa chau photila hinda cholo pon poi cholo ma ha chu ai nang do thaw answer ju so 75 by 3 angzat ngani don 25 will be the answer so option om si lawa subjective ani vain dihan in z excel don ya so 25 correct answer ni don so now question number 5 okay a ratio b and given a 2 ratio 3 b ratio c and given a 4 ratio 5 okay avan how taka ando a ratio b ratio c hemi find out tur mala ma pon ka video in en to chon mo ka ti tak all some talk in mo all some devin insult ang entinge ama pon ka sei to tro kalari gan tlak lo kanga ama pon thado in ka explain to a and given b and given c and given hemi 2 le hemi 3 hi a le b ya kan zia kanga hemi 4 le hemi 5 hi b le c ya kan danga ti hian mitam takin hemi an equate china an equate turin hemi pumpu hi 4 in an multiply nga hemi hi 3 nan multiply ang adik thau khami pokha adik lutuk mo engwa po diklo na omlo baseng kaima shortcut khange kha hemi hi aruaka abulaing number nge om 3 oma ta hian da pop tur heta hian aruaka enge abula number a om 4 oma ti hian da top tur to kan melo mai 2 4s are 8 and ya 3 4s are 12 and ya 3 5s are 15 hey answer chu adik chiang lu tu khami answer nya how do tamani hi hemi question paper a hian an to hemi question poi 6 question number 6 poi an ru mark thum ten la puji malai hey mark 3 marks then and carry tuna 23% of a is 46 anya akai question paper set to in ngatingele aprint diklo monle ento 23% chuang zat ngani train 23% amapon ka sei to person ani chun zain kan divide train of chuang multiplication a chu tian kan zeng equals to 46 ania tuna a house 23 le 46 twin kan cancel nga hemi zahi 2 bula kan thon chau deang so value of a will be 2 multiplied by 100 so a equals to 200 anyway lo okay and rotan chiang then a town population is 2 lakh anita tro nuai ni anom town tiaya aizol da chinila mo tlemen in relate thang mian om chuan enge 40% males ania okay tanzia kila 2 lakh ania 2 lakh 40% chuang zat nge in step by step in kan kalang hey 2 lakh 40% chu 0 pani katila hey sing riat mo 80,000 tuna 30% females anya 30% females ani chuan 2,30,000 exact nge ni don mi poi 0 pani cancelila hat tangpan pani cancelila singruk injatia mem singruk abang zong nge rest are children exact nge find the number of children mi pa vain singri atonoma me chia vain hey singru kanoma so belta ila 1,40,000 nuai ni trangin peidei ta ila exact nge 60,000 hemi answer mark li apuvel mala hemi question yan 60,000 hi answer nya maseng hemi yan tinan objective achon lo chuak ta se inti dan tur ka shilang cheu anru 2 lakh anyatra question kan mu vele kan shenghala 40% minus 30% minus 100 trangin 40 le 30 pay dei taila exact nge 30% chia bang don tro 70% kan pay to chon so direct pon thian kan ti thai tian 0 pani le hemi 0 yan cancel nga 2000 multiplied by 30 chu ai sing ruk in jetia mem am bakati nga tinge tiang em all some do tian pection le hemi caution ituna a man sold his cow bong ashala for rupees 7,920 in a shala and a gain percent exact nge gain percent 10% gain what will be the cost price avan ngai tola cost price most basic formula caution ni enge gain percentage formula chu selling price minus cost price divided by cost price to again percent exact nge gain percent 10% and ya so tihian kan ziak nga 10% jon sp exact nge sp 7,920 minus cost price kan shalo divided by x so hemi le hemi exact ngen cancel jon 1 by 10 tro so x1 and can multiply ya hemi 10 hi 7,920 minus 10 le hemi x can multiply jon tihian hemi minus 10x hi claims over x sin chumi function left hand side akan danga x le 10x to 11x 7,920 tuna 11 in cancel la 77 yachon 2200 200 in so 7,200 hemi a cost price mark thum kan dong tihian tuna question number 9 hemi question number 9 Rama purchased an old mobile phone luya leya alei chon nge cost price kan ziak china exactin mo lei 1150 in leya spends 150 rupees on its maintenance chingza le somnga tahian maintenance a senga ataka chon ama ipte trangin exact nge poisa ati he khemi phone a hian avain tihian 1300 aman new cost price ani chu 150 ka maintenance charge po pe if he sold the old mobile chun sang kha zanga in shal data se enge profit kan mang zau chia hemi formula hemo profit percentage formula kan mang zau chia enge formula kha percent of profit hemi profit equals to selling price exact nge sangka zanga ina shalania okay so selling price minus cost price by cost price selling price exact nge sangkhatle zanga cost price exact nge sangkhatle zathum cost price exact nge sangkhatle zathum inshatiya mem hemi kan payanga 1500 chain 1300 kan pay jon 200 ani da 200 jon hemi percent ti anwaya 0 kan da china hemi chu poilo tahian da deila multiply deila hemi 0 pani le hemi 0 pani an cancela enge bang 200 divided by 13 tuna 200 divided by 13 du jon fraction form a point da thea 13 le 15 multiply taila 5 ania 613 so 195 yes 195 ania 5 tahan kandang so 13 15 point kanda lenga tahian 0 nia 3 tahian 39 ani dona so 110 tahan tihian in multiply tian in multiply zela hame juma in thunia so answer turchu 15.38 hemi answer ani don hemi hian mark li a carry male tu na bi question kan ho ni bain kan solve zal tur ni tiang question how do they find the simple interest okay simple interest kan shamia lautinania on exact nge principle formula chia in thiam pon mo tak tak 50 marks a somli pariat somli panga in mutheang de tiang question paper juma so principle is given 800 rate is also given 6% and time is also given 9 months okay hemi 9 months par enamania tro enam hisabin kan entry na hemi voi khatma months a om tur la hemi era om tur era turin enge kan ti chen chance turin 12 in kan divide chen tuna 9 by 12 exact nge 9 by 12 chu 3 by 4 ania 3 in kan cancel okay tuna a ho vek eng ma pot luak mana ngai tolo simple interest formula nge PRT by 100 tro ta hian PRT by 100 p eng zat nge 800 r eng zat nge 6 t eng zat nge 3 by 4 chona hnuai 100 chu kan ziak thena tuna 0 pani chunga ma 0 pani hnuai 4 hi 2 time kan cancel anga chon 2 6 are 12 ania 12 3 are eng zat nge 36 so 36 hi enge simple interest chu ani tuna question number 11 find the time okay find the time ti chuan t kan shalauti na nia when principal and given a zanga rate pon given a 5% per annum and the simple interest is nachinmi kaneng lole kan mang zau chia mi formula mo simple interest exact nge and given a 150 to simple interest equals to PRT by 100 ania simple interest exact nge zale somnga nia p exact nge zanga ti hian r exact nge 5 ti hian t exact nge kan shemi alo divided by 100 tuna bl pani le hemi bl pani kan cancel anga hemi 5 le hemi 150 hit 13 kan cancel anga hemi 5 le hemi 30 hit 16 kan cancel anga so exact nge ni don 6 years kan answer ni mai tuna question number 12 hi I think I can solve Andrew a train runs 45 km per hour omzia chu speed and given a 45 km per hour John how far does it go in 6 second ruka distance exact nge a cover don atlan don tinani chu okay tan shia thiam tumula enge kilometer per hour hi enge omzia tak chu hour pakhata darkar khata kilometer somli panga atlan thei tinani chumo maseng hemi hi second ruka distance exact nge atlan check theinan meter per second akan convert ang hemi thilimo so 45 km per hour meter per second a convert torin enge kan tichin 5 by 18 in kan multiply trin tro 45 hi 9 in kan cancel anga 9 5s are 18 9 in kan cancel anga 2 times so 5 multiplied by 5 exact nge 25 ania chon hemi 2 hi noya oma meter per second tuna 25 hi 2 in kan cancel te exact 12.5 awmzia chu second khata meter som panile acharve atlan theiti nani chu tahian kazia kanga 1 second a 12.5 meters atlan theya so ange kan caution hai second ruka exact nge atlan don ti chon 16 lelam akan multiply ang ti hian 12.5 meters tuna 6 12 are exact nge ni trin 72 ani trin tro chon 6 multiplied by 0.5 exact nge pathum ani trin chumi wang chon exact nge ni don 75 meters hemi kan answer tuna question number 13 a train covers the distance okay distance and given ngala 200 kilometers with a speed of 10 kilometer speed pon given a exact nge 10 kilometer per hour oh hemi caution hi lo makatil tu keringat and the 4 marks apua Chanan tawang a caution what time is taken by the train to cover this distance ahauzi ai formula kan sia tro time equals to distance by speed and tahan kan danga time equals to distance exact nge distance zani ne tro zani kilometer chan speed exact nge 10 kilometer per hour nya hemi kilometer le hemi kilometer kan cancel nga hemi 0 le hemi 0 kan cancel nga hemi hour hi chunga kan da de nga so ange kan answer 20 hours amak lut to kami jumo bapre bap hi ni ringot 20 hours hi kan answer tuna hemi question number 14 square root of tahan kazia kanga 11 mixed fraction ya tihian 81 tuna mitam takin engtin nge an solve ang hemi hi sol dan chu tamlu to mo du chon hemi tihian kan ziak te ashanin tihian 9 le 81 hi 9 in kan cancel te 1 by 9 tuna 11 le 9 kan multiply nga exact nge 99 ania plus 1 by 9 hey som kwa pakwa le pakhat exact nge 100 ani trina chon divided by 9 hemi square root nge 100 square root 2 ponan shia 10 ania 9 square root nge 2 ponan shia 3 so hemi kan answer do chon tihian kan ziak te mixed fraction du chon hemi caution hi tiang point in solve thei tho ma seng claimin a leng di don amot tihian 9 by 81 ania hemi 11 le hemi 81 ni kan multiply potanga tihian 81 ma hemi chu claimin lending amo ma pon ka soi to 11 in number shim engpo kan multiply chuan hey 8 heta kan ziak thina 1 anunga kan ziak chun alaya 8 plus 1 kan ziak anga 891 a hemi pakwa hi kan belanga engzat nge ni don 900 divided by 81 square root kan find out anga answer churon chuak meng engzat nge ni don 900 enge square root ti chun somthum 81 enge square root ti chun pakwa so 3 kan cancel anga 10 by 3 answer chu angai reng don ma adang lam don lo. Question number 15. Tuna question number 15 here. Andrew hemi question po hi away two ways in consult here. 3 by 10 ania, 5 by 100 ania, 8 by 1000 ania. Tihian consult here. Hey atamber engzat nge 1000 tro bial pathum ama hemi poi pathum bial pathum kan siam nga hemi poi bial pathum kan siamang bial pathum siam turin achunga le nuaya bial pani kan danga hemi hi bial pathum siam turin hata po 0 kan danga chunga po 0 kan dang tuna ainang to tro LCM all samden tihan kan ziak the to anwaya 1000 kan ziak nga zathum le som nga le paria chu engzat nge 358 ania so anwaya bial pathum ama hata hian dot kan dang dot zawa digit pathum nge ngai chumi wang chon hata hian dot kan dang heta hian in da velenga heta da thelo bial chu pahniom ta se ta kan danga chon bial pakhat chia chu amta se 5 le 8 in kara decimal kan da train so final answer will be 0.358 hemi kan answer hemi in shia thiam lo chuan tiang po hian kan solve thaya entirnan 3 by 10 ania 5 by 100 ania 8 by 1000 ania tuna anwaya 10 anwaya 0 pakhat oma chumi wangjon 3 ma hian decimal kan da thai achan chu decimal zawa digit pakhat nge ngaya chu tiang bok chon bial pani oma chumi wangjon 0.05 kan zia kang chon bial pathum oma chumi wangjon 0.008 kan tiang tunan pathumian belila 0.3 plus 0.05 plus 0.008 tuna pariat panga pathum hey answer ai nang ve tuna SCF kan so SCF poyan two ways ania duchan hemi hi tian divide photula 160 tian 160 ania 5 banga nga chan hemi 5 ti hian 305 multiply leila ti hian 61 zar 305 hey SCF 5 kan humai thina ma seng tuna step by step du chuan 160 hi ti hian factors prime factors ta hian 2 in divide there 80 2 in kan divide le there 40 2 in kan divide le there 20 2 in kan divide le there 10 2 in kan divide le there 5 4 so 2 weng zat ngam khat ni thum li nga chimi wangchon tahan kan zia kanga ta hian ka zia kang 160 chu 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 ania chu tiang bok chung 165 poi kan check anga 165 2 in kan divide thelawa 3 in kan divide them 6 paruk panga som pakhat le pakhat chu som pani yes kan divide the dona so 355 zarnia chon 5 11 zar 11 1 so 165 hi engzat nge 3 5 le 11 chon atober mi 305 he 305 3 kan divide thelawa 2 pon kan divide thelawa next prime number nge 5 ania chimi wangchon ti hian 561 ne 61 hi englonia prime number nia chimi wangchon 61 direct ti hian so 5 multiplied by 61 emi 305 ania tuna enge SCF chu 2 heta oma maseng heta omlo heta pom lo chumi wangchon 2 hi engatan ma kan ti don lo mo 2 hi engatan man ti don lo alak lo 3 hi heta oma maseng heta le heta omlo chumi wangchon 3 poi engatan man ti don lo 61 hi heta oma maseng hemita pania na omlo chumi wangchon 61 poi engatan ma enga man ti lo maseng 5 hi andrew he 5 om vector han pathuma chumi wangchon enge SCF will be 5 so question number 17 question panichi am top question number 17 HCF and LCM of two numbers tahian hey HCF and LCM of two numbers engzat nge 13 le 1989 ania chon if one of the number is 117 okay number pakhat x1 assume 117 ani chon find the other number how tiang caution inga tingele okay a formula ta han kazia kanga ndu chonin note down thea and product of LCM and HCF equals to product of two numbers. Talk product of two numbers. LCM multiplied by HCF equals to product of two numbers to 117 multiplied by x2. Talk abak eng mapo boy pingai lawa. Abak chu tengel vector. LCM yang zat nge LCM 1989. HCF yang zat nge 13. 117 multiplied by x2 tuna 13 table hemi omlo mo chiang lu tuk 9 zarania chu tiang bok chon hemi 9 le hemi 1989 yan cancel the exact in 2 time 18 ya to 1 so x2 will be equals to zahni le somni pakhat tuna mi answer nia question number 18 he calculate the amount okay amount can calculate amount zia chu hemi hi ni mi alone 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power t minus 1 hemi amount ni ngai lo amount chu only hemi che hi amount ni train kamiga chu compound interest ni train mo minus 1 om chon so tahian kan zia kanga amount kan shalo mitam takan boy train tahian amount hemi hi ne kan shalawa chon principal exact nge principal is given 125,000 chon a time exact nge time is given 1.5 years and chon a rate pon given a 8% per annum chon compounded and annually ni lo half yearly ni chon all sambe kalam tian chon mo half yearly in mu chon enge kan te train time hi t ani ngai to lo a double train chon a rate hi a half daysel a ma pon ka explain to tian ka silvek to cho ka video luya tuna a time a do kan double chon enge ni don kum khatle chan ve double chu kum thum ti hian a rate 8% a half chu exact nge 4% tok eng ma po bak chu how vek question ni mo tuna amount formula nge amount chu p 1 plus r divided by 100 raised to the power t tuna p ang zat nge in ti chadon lu tuk tiang paper in muchan mo in score tam don lu tuk ringa to 125,000 chan 1 plus r by 100 chan raised to the power t a hian nge kan siang 3 years ne chan hemi r a hian nge 4 kan sia kang 4 le hemi 100 hi 1 by 25 in kan cancel thea chon 25 le 1 hi nge 1s are 25 ane chon 25 a pahat kan bel chon 26 ani don so 26 by 25 tuna tahian ziak ila 125,000 multiplied by 26 cube chu tihian chon anwaya 25 cube tuna hemi 125 hi hemi 25 in and cancel nga 5,000 mo tuna 5,000 kan ziak nga tahian 5,000 chimizwa hemi poyom to down low hemi 25 yan hemi 5,000 yan cancel nga exact times 200 times kan cancel nga hemi pohi about to down ta pohian engwa zia ngai lo 200 tuna hemi 25 yan hemi 200 hi 8 times kan cancel nga so enge answer then in mumayang 8 multiplied by 26 multiplied by 26 multiplied by 26 tuna 26 le 26 kan multiply chonenge 676 ane tro square in thiama in ria tanga ria chon 26 in kan multiply lenga ti hian 66 is 36 ania chon 42 le pathum 45 ania ta hian 36 le pali chu 40 so 2 6 is 12 15 1 3 6 7 5 7 1 ania hemi 18 kan multiply de yang 18 can multiply chon enge hey 48 ania 456 ania 06 8 5s are 40 40 le paru 46 ania 8 7s are 56 56 le pali chu 16 ya tahan 6 kan sia kanga 8 1s are 8 8 le paru chu so pali so hemi kan answer this is the amount 140608 hemi final answer masengan tiran compound interest chu tita se ci chu exam aron chuak ta se heta trang hian amount ta trang in enge kan minus 10 a principal kan minus 10 tizati kan minus tezel so kan minus chon exact ngeni don 8 minus 0 chu 8 ania 0 minus 0 chu 0 ania chon 6 ania 5 and 1 15608 hemi answer ni don maseng engtika compound interest anti chon hemi question an amount and tia amount ni wangin hemi kan answer ni don 140608 tizong hi hey video hian ka solve wanga chanju question som pariat oma mo hemi paper a hian so video hi try ti chon in like nge don choin subscribe chanin la subscribe lo choin subscribe nga chon in share bokang in chiante mo grupa tian share ula lo mom ngatang okay so question paper in nature milo thonula whatsapp emo instagram milo thonula kalo solve zelang next video akain mule thaw don ya thank you